Hey guys, it's Rhonda. And in this video, I want to show you how you can create these super fun, punny type designs using Ideogram or Leonardo or your favorite AI generator, whatever it might be. But I have put together a couple custom GPTs to help you do this really quickly with a never ending supply of ideas. So here's just a few that I did last night. Let us turn up the beat. I'm kind of a big dill, just blooming with joy. So you can see these are all really fun types of designs. They'd be perfect for POD, stickers, anything that you want to do with them. They are just super cute and it only takes seconds to make these. Alrighty. So let's get started. I'll jump over and show you how we do this. All right, and here we are inside the Pun and Profit Design Lab. This consists of two custom GPTs that I've created to make this really easy for you. So the first thing you do is just click the link to go to the pun generator. And in here, all you have to do is enter an idea, a theme, a category, whatever you want. I'm just going to have it give me 5 witty puns about, oh, let's say cats. Okay. And it's going to give me 5 puns for cats. And that's the first part. All right. The second part is to click on the pun image prompt generator. So what we're going to do is take these 5 puns that it gave us. We're going to copy them and we're going to drop these right into the pun to image prompt builder. And now this is going to give us a image prompt for each one of those puns. Okay. So I'm going to take this first one right here and I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to use Ideogram because I prefer Ideogram for any text-based designs. I think it works the best when you're working with a lot of text. So this one says, I'm not kidding around. This is Clawsome content. So that's really cute. And let's go back over here and grab another one. And we will put that in. And I'm using V3 Turbo to generate these images. And I'm going to grab all 5 of these that we had them make and pop them in here. Just so you can see how quickly we can generate these designs. Now, if you don't use Ideogram, Leonardo is another option that does text very well. Google's Imagen or Imagine, that does text pretty well. So you can choose, whatever image generator you prefer. I just like Ideogram for this type of thing. All right, so we did all 5 of them already. Don't be so hysterical. It's just a little cat pun. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good today. Must be all the catnip energy. That one's cute. For real though, life's better with whiskers. That's adorable. And then we've got you've cat to be positive no matter what. And that's really cute too. So we did 5 cat themed pun designs in just a couple minutes. I mean, the video isn't even 5 minutes long yet, and we've already generated these images, which is really cute. And let's go try a couple more. Let's do, give me 5 witty sayings related to work. And we'll see what happens there. And, and some of this time is spent waiting for our puns to generate and our images, our image prompts to generate. So, we're working very quickly here with making designs. So we're going to do these 5 real quickly. We're going to pop them into the image prompt builder, and we'll wait for it to give us our prompts. And we'll grab this first one right here. We'll drop that in, and we'll do all 5 of these quick as well, just so you can see once more how quickly we can generate these super fun designs. And like I said, you could use these for POD, for, standalone. You could sell them as sublimation designs. You could bundle them and sell, several designs together. You could sell these as stickers, sticker designs, whatever you wanted to do. And they are just so much fun to create. All right, let's get this last one here, and let's take a look at them. Let's start down here. All right. I'm not lazy at work. I'm just in energy saving mode. Okay, that one's really cute. Not lazy at work. I'm just in energy saving mode. I like that one. And my boss told me to have a good day, so I went home. Now, it doesn't look like the text came out perfect on that. I would have to rerun that or fix that, but it's AI. That's what happens. I pretend to work as they pretend to pay me. Teamwork makes the dream work. Behind every successful team is a group chat that should never be leaked. That's really cute. And I'm multitasking. I can waste time, be unproductive, and procrastinate all at once. So those are cute. And like I said, occasionally you're going to have to edit some text or, fix them up. It's the nature of AI. And if you don't like the puns it generates, you can always come back and ask it to generate more for you. You can generate as many as you want at one time. If you just come over here and say, give me summer-related puns, it's going to generate, it should be 20 at a time. Let's see here. Yep, here are 20 sunny, sizzling summer puns. So you can pick and choose what you want out of these. If you don't like them all, it's no big deal. You can just use the ones you want. So this is our Pun and Profit Design Lab. Like I said, you have the 2 custom GPTs, and then here I've also included some recommended AI image generators that do well with text. And then I also have a short video here showing you how to use this if you decide to grab this for yourself. I'm going to leave a link for it down in the description. And if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll answer them as soon as I can.